In this review, we will be discussing in details about the best folding survival knives available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market. So whether you need best folding survival knives, this list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Buying Guide present Top 5 Best Folding Survival Knives. Let's get started.
Purchasing the perfect product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us.
Number 1. E1 Gereach ER A003 Folding Knife. The EL Gereach ER1003 folding knife is spring assisted, so it is easy to use even if it's your first time working with a folding knife. This is because it uses a liner lock mechanism, so you can be sure that the blade will lock securely in place and be safe to hold. Simply press the liner lock towards the left side of the knife and push the blade closed, and your knife will be folded down to a compact size. It measures 4.75 inches when closed, which is ideal for storing comfortably in your pocket or backpack for easy access. However, it is surprisingly quite heavy given its small size, weighing 7.20Z. At this weight, you will fit it in your pocket and if it will inside. It is a 440 stainless steel blade, so it should hold up well against potential corrosion and rust after prolonged use. The blade is a thick 3.2 mm, so it will slice through many obstacles sharply and accurately. At a budget-friendly price, this folding survival knife is a great choice. Number 2. SOG FF25CP Tactical Folding Knife. In a survival situation, this knife could be your best friend. It comes with a one-handed opening mechanism and lockback, which helps to keep the blade secure. The knife has an ambidextrous design, so you can easily defend yourself or escape in either hand. It is discreet in a defensive situation too, as it features a reversible low carry. This clip allows you to make sure your knife won't fall into the wrong hands or be seen when you need to discuss it. Despite being a tactical and heavy-duty knife, it is lightweight and easy to carry. Measuring at 4.8 inches when closed, you can comfortably store this knife in your pocket, making it a great choice for everyday carry. In addition to its durability, the knife also doubles as other tools. It can be used as a line or strap cutter, a glass breaker, and a wire stripper. Even as an everyday carry, you will be getting more than just a standard cutting knife with this product. Number 3. Smith & Wesson SWM P4LS Folding Knife. If you are looking for more than just a basic survival folding knife, then the Smith & Wesson SWM P4LS folding knife offers a tactical edge that gives you more for your money. Made from 4035 black oxide carbon steel, the blade is highly durable and can handle tough materials and conditions. Because of its sharpness, it will also work well for piercing through materials or items or even enemies. With the right level of maintenance, this knife is designed to last you a long time and be reliable in all kinds of survival scenarios. The blade is 3.6 inches long, but the knife itself is not the smallest overall. It is 8.6 inches in total, but it's still compact enough to fit into your survival backpack or be attached to your pocket. However, it may be too large for pocket carry, which you may find inconvenient. It uses a rapid release MAGIC assisted opening mechanism, so you can open it with only one hand, making it easy and convenient to use in any situation. The MAGIC mechanism is paired with the liner lock style of opening. It also comes with a safety lock. However, this isn't essential as the liner lock system should work well without any additional locks. Number 4. CRKT M1601 KZ EDC Folding Pocket Knife. I'm a huge fan of CRKT knives, both fixed blade and folding blades. I just think you can't get much better in design and quality than CRKT. I also like the fact that CRKT employs a lot of outside blade experts to design and refine their knives. This brings a fresh perspective to the game. The CRKT M16 is an example of that type of thinking. This knife was originally designed by Keith Curson, one of the most famous blade designers in the world. This new design user is an era of rapid change in the whole EDS assisted operating folding knife field. With years of refinement, this is still one of the best EDC folding survival knives you can find. Number 5. Pro Iron Assisted Opening Survival Knife. This is ideal when you are in the outdoors, as you never know what weather conditions you will face or what tough materials you will need to cut through. If having a multi-purpose knife is a priority for you, then this folding knife is worth considering. It features a glass breaker, a can opener, a crop cutter, and a ball chip, so it can do more than just cut and slice. These tools will come in handy in the outdoors, and the ball chip can be used as a great way to attach the knife to your waist, so you will always have it within reach. With a spring-assisted opening, you can expect a fast and smooth deployment, which is exactly what you need from a folding survival knife. It comes with a thumb start and an opening assist lever and features a link and features a liner lock designed for a reliable and safe unfolding.
If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.